In fractions of amounts, this time we have just normal fractions. Yeah. So we've got 2/3 of 12 and 3/5 of 25. Again, as a recap and a reminder, of means to multiply. So this can be written as 2/3 with the multiply sign, 12. 2/3 times by 12. So our first step will be to divide by the denominator. We want to split 12 up into 3 equal parts. So divide them out by denominator. Step number 1, 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So each of those parts is worth 4. There's 3 parts and they're all worth 4. The second step is then to multiply the new amount that we have, which is the 4 for the first example, with the numerator. So 4 multiplied by the numerator is 8. So again, we split up 12 into 3 equal parts, and we want 2 of those parts. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Visually, so we have 12. We break it down to 3 equal parts. Each of those parts is worth 4. And from those parts we want 2. So we've got first 2 or second 2, however you want. We've got 2 parts and they add up to 8. So that's kind of a visual representation of that question. For the second example, we're going to divide 25 by 5. We want to split 25 into 5 equal parts. That means each part is going to be 5. Second step will be to multiply by the denominator. Not the denominator, sorry. We're going to multiply with the numerator. So 5 times 3 is going to be 15. So again, we split 25 up into 5 equal parts. So each of those is going to be 5. And then out of those parts, we only want 3 of them. So when we add up 3 of the parts, we get 15. And that's just a visual representation of the calculations we completed above. So 1, 2, 3, and they give you 15.